Good afternoon, Outliers. How y'all doing today? Happy Wednesday. Happy first day of May. We have done it. We have officially crossed into May, which means here in Texas that the pleasant weather is gone until late October. So I hope that the weather is a little more pleasant for you because it's about to be 94 degrees to like 174 degrees, somewhere in that range for the next 8 months here in Texas. Hope y'all are having a fantastic Wednesday. It looks like David is here. Good afternoon, David. Glad to see you. Welcome to the trading room. I don't think I've seen you here before. Yorn is here. Donna's here. Hey, y'all. Thank y'all for coming. So this morning I was doing a live stream and I came across this stock that I'd never heard of. This one. And I was like, well, let's take a look at this one here. I might be trading this one today. Because we only have 7 on the bear list today, and I saw EXP World Holdings Inc. And the story that I was covering was about Wall Street buying up lots of single family homes and then renting those out. Right? It's definitely something that we've all seen and heard about. And I don't know anything about this company, but this one was a real estate sector, and I was like, oh, let me take a look at that. So it got a sell signal today inside of a red zone. I was like, all right. And then I looked at the performance summary and I saw 715% on Outlier. And I was like, good gravy. That is what I'm talking about. And then I go to look at the chart for EXPI. And I saw, oh, wait a minute. It's a $10 stock. And I was like, oh, man, a $10 stock. I am a snob, as you guys know, and I only trade stocks that are greater than $20, so I wouldn't be trading it. But I tell you what, a lot happened today in the market, right? Let's jump right into our market analysis. I'll be lying if I told you I've been watching the market today. I've had a extremely busy day. Oh, hey, David has been a lurker for a month. Well, David, thank you for coming live. Be sure to chime in every day, man. We're here all the time, as you know. Jean-Louis, good to see you. Yeah, I had just meetings after meetings after today. I had a meeting with Mahesh and Mark, and we talked about some upgrades that are in the future. We talked about the marketing plan because we're doing a big push starting this Friday. So you're going to see more things around. We had a conversation about new items for y'all to download. And so what I've called them, in fact, I'll give you a little preview for Friday. But this is the slides for Friday. How to find stocks with at least 181% returns in about 30 seconds. Hey, Brian. And so going through here, I know that sounds sensational, right? But one of our members, Leo, did exactly that, 181% gain. So this is part of why I'm so excited for you guys to update the share your big wins section, because I want to share those big wins as well. So what I wanted to mention was what we are calling not that one, this one, the VIP Investors Toolkit. And you, as Outliers already, have access to everything in here in the VIP Investors Toolkit. If you want that, we just renamed this How to Trade in 10 Minutes section to VIP Investors Toolkit. This one message has all the links inside of it, but I didn't take away anything else from above. So you can always go through and see how the history has evolved through that. But it has the golden ticket AI stock trading system, which is what I'm going to rename this to, the golden ticket AI stock trading system. It has the rapid returns course, how I made 70% in only 7 days. Now, this was made end of last year, November-ish timeframe, and we were on a roll. I'm telling you, it was rocking and rolling. I was having 60%, 70%, 80% winners back to back to back, and I was like, this is what's up. And of course, that's how trading works, right? There are times where you're in a roll, and there's times where it's just dead. So we took those trades and put them into a course. The only way to get that is through here. The pre-market power-up checklist. Now, Mahesh actually made this. Super handy. Tells you what to look at each morning. The bullish power cheat sheet. This is a quick reference cheat sheet that is exactly what comes out of my trading system. Put in one page here. And then the secret investing book, right? So just a minute ago, little behind the scenes knowledge. We're going to be like bulk ordering a bunch of these secret investing books. So I went into Amazon and just lowered the price a couple bucks. So it's like $7.99 now if you wanted it. But you can get a free PDF right now, this very instant, of that book inside the Discord. So all of that is the VIP Investors Toolkit. So I want to let you know I am not leaving you out. You actually already have it. So everything I can do to make you successful, that's what I'm here for. So let's go take a look at the market now. And hey, Sebastian, you can see here it's following Chris's plan almost exactly. It's weird and awesome. But this is what I was saying. Now, where did I get this idea from? We came right down to this order block. And I said, watch it bounce. And it did. And then during that process, we've created a second order block. And I said, you know, don't be surprised if it closes over the 50. We may even see the 10 and 20 cross back over. And yesterday we had a huge sell off. Today we have a huge bounce. And it's going sideways, like I was saying, right? I'm not excited either direction right now, which is why I'm sitting on the sidelines, sitting in cash. Remember, cash is a trade, right? There's so many people's on the internets, so many people's on YouTubes and whatnot who want to tell you, you got to trade this and that all the time, here and there, everywhere. You really don't. You really don't. You can sit on cash and wait, because it gets a hell of a lot easier, when the market's trending in your direction, up or down. But in the meantime, just let it go sideways. What was the big news today? I know it was the Fed. I, honest to God, have no idea what the Fed said. Can you enlighten me? I'm going to refresh this. I'm going to look at the news here real quick. Fed's Powell says Basel III process is by far the most important regulatory thing. Fed Powell says rise in unemployment would have to be meaningful for us to react. Oh, so they didn't change rates. Inflation can't come down without dislocations in the labor market. Says rents are barely going up at all. I don't know about that. It's Powell says restricted money to your policies. Do what it's supposed to do. Either way, it looks like nothing really happened rates-wise. They're not satisfied with 3% inflation. They want to see it at 2%. Yeah, I know. This is terrible content. I know. I'm just trying to catch up. Brian says, standing on the sidelines like Columbia University. Good gravy. Fed's Powell says we will get confidence on inflation rate cuts. Be in scope. What is like the actual headline? That's what I want to see. CNBC is good for a headline. Markets are rallying on his comments. Fed keeps rates steady. That's what I want to know. Okay. All right. So back to the game here. So market's moving sideways. We saw the 10 under the 20. Price is now creeping back over the 50. And because of that, I'm not going to be trading. And I don't think you should either. I mean, you can do what you want, but I'm not going to be doing it. The 10 is under the 20, but price is over the 50, which is inconclusive, right? If price is going one way and the trend is going the other way, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised at all to continue the sideways action. So I won't be trading, but I will continue to show up every day, because you never know. It could be tomorrow that we go hog wild. Could be tomorrow where we get all the signals come through on OVTLYR all at once. But in the meantime, I'm just going to be hanging out and checking out cool stocks like XP with 700% returns. That's crazy, right? So do mark your calendars. The schedule is tomorrow. I am 70% sure I'll be here. There is a chance I won't make it. If not, I'll let you know in the Discord. Friday, we'll not be having the trading room, but we will be having a webinar starting roughly about this time on Friday. And all kinds of cool stuff. So thank y'all for coming today. I know it's boring right now, but just remember, cash is a trade. And holding cash and not freaking out is what people who are freaking out right here are really upset about, right? There's a lot of people losing a lot of money in chop like this. And you don't do that. You just got to sit on the sidelines and wait for it to resolve. Have a fantastic afternoon. See you right back here tomorrow. If I can make it tomorrow, but 70% sure I'll make it. Talk soon.